A travel experience like no other is around every turn with a 2018 Berkshire XL 40BH. Find yours today at Motorhomes to Go. This is the bunkhouse model of the Berkshire XL line of Class A motorhomes, based on a Freightliner XCR raised rail single rear axle chassis with a turbodiesel engine, Allison 6-speed push-button transmission, and polished aluminum wheels. These come with a striking graphics package, 10,000-pound trailer hitch, 4 slide-outs, a heavy-duty suspension, and fiberglass front and rear caps. Underneath are several large cargo compartments with interior lighting, side-opening lockable doors, and electric sliding trays. On the outside, a Samsung TV is mounted on a swivel arm. And there are Carefree awnings for the door, patio, and slide-outs. Inside is a spacious living area with Villa Love Seat plus Dream Booth dinette and sofa ensemble, all with hide-a-beds and storage elements. Standard equipment includes day-night shades, multiple USB charging ports, and carpeted living room and dining slide-outs. There's a 32-inch TV mounted in front behind the cockpit and a 40-inch TV on sliding brackets with entertainment center and fireplace across from the kitchen. Throughout, there is porcelain floor tiling, recessed lighting, and glazed hardwood cabinetry with raised panel doors, hidden hinges, and pull-style cabinet hardware. The kitchen area features polished solid surface kitchen countertops and backsplash with tile inserts, soft close ball bearing drawer glides, flush mount electric gas induction cooktop, and residential French door fridge with icemaker. Behind the kitchen is the master bathroom with mirrored medicine cabinets, foot flush china bowl toilet, tile backsplash accent, one-piece fiberglass shower with glass door and skylight, and a power ceiling fan. Opposite is the bunkhouse area with bifold doors, privacy curtains, and a 20-inch LED TV in each bunk. The roomy rear master bedroom houses a Serta queen bed with bedspread and decorative pillows, hardwood headboard, and a ceiling fan. Extra touches include padded carpeting, nightstands, a wardrobe with mirrored doors, and a stacked washer and dryer. Go online and shop the amazing selection at mhstogo.com. Have questions or want to talk directly with a friendly, knowledgeable salesperson? Call us at 616-871-2504. With our unbeatable prices, you'll save thousands.